but it's different. So yep, you can compare. So from what I see, this is edit or not needed. Same thing. Delete and delete. So it stopped exactly there. Okay. Select my slab. I'm going to edit. Okay. So let me see. This level is lower roof, which is here. So you can see the design. Okay. Delete. This part here. Try to join here. Okay. Line from here. Join here. Okay, but the thing is, here, confirm there's an error if I do that. So I'm going to ignore this and this, join here, this one, join here. One last one, this one, join here, and this, join here. So here, no more, no more. Finish it. So this is how my slab will look like. So this is extra, or the wrong one. I never cleared this. Okay, so this one looks something like this. Okay, let's take a look at the 3D. This level doesn't have mezzanine, so it's good. Okay, so no mezzanine is still alright. Staircase can leave it since already created. It's just that here the column we got to change. This part here a bit challenging, so you must think of way to clean it. Hold on. It should be something like this. And something this. lower roof. Okay. How the rest? You guys are doing your model also? The rest can touch up the landing, which I haven't copied. So looks alike. Okay, slab I can follow that. So does the platform. So go to my plan to see the changes here. So this slab here, add it. So it should look like this. 燕姐, you were logged in already or haven't? Adjust only. Not this. Ah, okay. You are late, huh, young man. Cross lane and tokens are not in yet.
Teacher, you just enter in the wrong class.
Huh? You enter wrong class?
Yes, I just sent the ID to him.
You mean what? You just not attend other class, ah?
Yes.
How come, eh? Too many link, huh? Okay lah. So I was editing this. So my slab should look like this. Align here. Pick line here. Okay. So that means this piece opening will be different. Okay. Split. Close up. Pick line. Okay, so here is my close up. So should look like this. Yep. Okay, so this is how it should be like. Okay. Look at the model compare. The slab should follow also. So does the top one. I mean, these two should be the same. So the interesting part here is here become no column. Scary, eh? No column. This is suspension here. Wow, Aki design this also quite solid. It's like floating. See? So you guys careful. No matter what, I believe here should have a beam. Alright? Yeah. So there's no column there. So you guys got to be careful on that. Let me try to take away this. Column here still should have. Only this piece don't have. Yep. So that means my slab here should be flat across. Anyway, to edit this, align to this big line, cleans up. Okay, so the beam design is a bit weird. Let's worry later. Crop the thing first and see how can we remedy this. Anyone notice there's a change here? Are you aware of there's this change here? Okay, so it look like this. So this one here got to stop at where? Lower right. Offset minus 1150. It should be shorter. Unjoin. Yep, it look like this. Flush. As for this, delete. Okay, same thing on top for this. So this level is level 6. No mezzanine. So that means this level you can delete. Okay, there's no 6 mezzanine. You can double check if you want. Look at the model here. If you go to see, they have kind of weird. They add 6 mezzanine, but there's no level here. This is 6. This is lower roof. This is upper roof. Yeah. So actually, you don't need the 6-story mezzanine. Misleading. Okay. I don't know why they create that. See now, this level actually not required because there's nothing there. So this is redundant. Because the 3D showing that not required. So lower roof. If I were you, I would do something like this. Select this, right click, create my here the beam. So how should I do that? This one is the wife movement. I'd like to change this to, I think it's right, I believe. Arc. Yeah, like this. Okay. What is this offset here? If you like to follow the same, let's say 100 mm, no radius. That's kind of weird. No radius. Okay. Here should be join. But this one here, you drag and join here. As for this, because of this arc actually is wrong. See now. So this guy, when they design is this curve is a bit wrong. That's why this guy become like that. So by right should be stopped here. This arc when was created. So the profile something is wrong. So this guy become this way, super ugly. So I was thinking that you may want to edit this arc. Okay. So when it's come to here, I believe should be straight line. Yep, like this. Then it looks reasonable. After that, this drag. Possible? Not allowed. Just stop here. Or this touch here. It should join. Mm. Okay. So this one shorten. Join here. Align also can do it here. Ooh, what like this? Wrong alignment. This is the correct one. Align this. Okay, this beam is a bit out of control. Shorter. Hmm? Hmm? Stubborn. Ah, terrible. Doesn't want to clean up nicely. Just prefer to capture that curve. See, it's the wrong curve. No choice. Got to change this connection to disallowed join. And yeah, to rectify this, drag, stop here. That's the only way. See? And this one here, you align. Ooh, why this line is so crooked one? Terrible. The archi that designed this arc is really out of sync. Terrible. Okay. So you can see now when you have something like this happen and the drawing here is terrible, not really accurate. It's really hard time. Slightly shorter. My goodness, quality is damn bad. Align here. This is the best that I can adjust based on this. So looks okay. This is something tricks you may want to learn. So like this, at least it's a lot more smoother. Alright, so I'm going to do the adjustment also. So that is your level 6. I did this slab. Line. Captured somewhere from here. Straight. Do a proper cleans up. Finish. Try to copy this beam. One, two. See whether they allow us to copy and paste below. Let's try, Lie as 6th floor. Oh, it does. Good. From here, drag this fella shorter. Okay, I think you can use this method. Make sure it's straightened. Align here to this line. So it should be nicely done. Okay, so this is how you look like in the model. Okay, so the rest will be, if you look at the archi, it's open, so the wall is inside. There's a landing, so please clear up nicely. No curtain wall. You need to add parapet wall there. Okay, lastly is these two area. Then we can take a short break. Then we talk about other stuff. So here is to create this. All right. So in your lower roof, you should able to see this one here. Now this is actually you know what this or not? Manually sketch your what system? You call this your beam system. Okay. Yeah, you can do that. Structure, beam system, sketch. So how? Of course, first of all, you got to draw this beam first. All right, if you don't have this beam, you can't do anything. So cancel first. Beam arc. Draw from here. You prefer center, then you choose the center or automatic. Since like I can't have a center, origin. See that? No, so change to right. Endpoint. Come and snap endpoint. Can only get the closest unless you can pick. Yep, fastest way. See that? I pick, it show me. Okay. Then the other one, you can pick line also. Pick this. I believe they should generate also. Offset. It's not in the center, so I'm going to do the alignment. Hopefully I'll be able to get a center. No center at all. Oh my goodness. This cannot. Modify, align, this. Okay, luckily can do that. Adjust this. As long as intact, they should join. So look like this. Okay, same thing here. You copy this. Actually, you can also change the view here, origin. So if you pick line, it should at the center exactly. Yeah. Okay, so don't just follow blindly. You must do the correct thing. Ooh, I should pick the center line, but it's still interesting. My goodness. I hate this is when sometimes it pose challenging steps. So select wrongly, you gotta do extra works. Okay, so look like this. Okay. The top one, I will leave it to you guys. It look like this. So this one is easy. All right, I'll show you this. I mean, this one you can do on your own. It should be similar as this, only this one. Okay, this is more on the manual. All right, manual sketch, which will look like this. Okay. So structure, beam system, sketch beam system. So let's say center to midpoint, arc to where? To here. But can be tricky because you might not know which is the center here. But estimate lah, closest, then straight line. You can still adjust it. To be accurate, you can actually offset. So this is 1000, right? Offset is 500. So this one I can delete away. Pick line, offset 500. So definitely it won't go wrong. So you need to do one at a time. All right, because you can't sketch three at one go. So sketch method, you gotta use all your tricks you know. Done. Finish. Luckily, the orientation is correct. So-called the beam direction is following that. Right. So next thing is how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here fixed number, you want it to be 5. And the beam size is 300 by 600, which is correct. Finish. You should get your that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this label you can delete away because initially it was on, so I didn't clear it. So that's why it showed there. Now a bit of offset. So don't bother lah. That one unless you want to measure. Select the text, right click. All instances visible. Delete away. Okay. So this one should be similar. Beam system. Now this time round, when I'm do that, I'm gonna remove the tagging, so at least you don't get to see. Okay, pick line. Offset 500. Line you can draw. Center. Oops, there's an offset. Auto offset at the one because they remember the last value. Okay, cleans up. All right, same thing. 5, 5. Click OK. The text still show. It's kind of weird. Never mind. Because during the creation, there's no selection, the visibility of the text. So never mind. Just select one. Right click. Visible. Delete. Okay, the last one, which is here. Okay, so this one will be quite challenging. How are you going to do that? You sketch. You notice it's slant, this fella. Then you draw lines here to here to here. Oops, why this offset always following me? I also lazy to double check. Terrible. Make sure it's 0. Okay, like this. Cleans up. You notice this? How to adjust this for your case? Is it that I'm going to sketch this way now? Hmm. Anyone? Will I able to get something like this? Slant. Is it possible? Huh? Possible or not? Or how? Because here we'll follow your profile like this. So the angle, if you to do something like this, you can see that the gap is almost the same as somewhere here. Okay, I'll do something similar. My pen doesn't want to work. I'm going to pick a line to simulate the here. All right, so move this somewhere here because it's a bit too far, so somewhere here, roughly in the center, like this. Okay, so this case, you may want to do the cleans up. Only one side will do, no worries. Then beam direction, you pick this line so that you follow this. Okay, so how many you need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try 7. Apply. Okay. See that? That's what you get. But just that the distance might not be correct. So sometimes you may want to manage by the distance here. Okay, so this is the idea that I'm giving to you. So do a proper one. Yeah. All right. Questions? So just now, if you measure what is a gap, you can base on distance to offset rather than the how many numbers. Oh, because I sketch this, I never sketch here. So the distance measurement is still wider. That's why it ran out of the accuracy. Okay. Questions for this adjustment? I think the rest I leave it to you guys. So your model should be able to complete by next week. Some extension here. Why is that so? But that's the roof. I see. Yes, stand out. Okay. So there's some extension here. You need to measure what is the extension. All right, on this. Okay. And which one? 2, extend out. 1. So this one here is the lower floor. This is ours. You must look at this one. Where's the extension? Okay, so you can measure, estimate distance from, let's say, column to here, 1009. Go back to our low roof. Actually, you can see lah from here. Follow lah if you want. Select this, edit. Okay, so it should look like this. Yeah. Pick line. And pick one here. Okay. Actually, if you are at the last level, you need not to cut the opening. You can just let go. But never mind lah. I would say you still can do that. Okay, so this one here should be join. Align to this. Okay. Align to, oops, this one. Okay, so this is how it look like. Then you add the trellis again. Yeah, or you do this correct, mirror over, then remove the system. Okay. Like my case here, this is wrong. I leave the system on. I can anytime do the adjustment. All right. So this is the beauty of when you are so-called adjusting the correct distance. You leave the beam system on. Once they are in place, you can remove them. Okay. So I would say that our model more or less is the same. Yep. Who's that? Any questions? The rest you guys touch up. All right, this wall itself is 4 meter. Mouse, what's happening? Give me this problem. 4 meter, so minus 6,000. Right? Apply. This is the correct height. Okay, so you have an opening roof. This is a bit like a shelter. So this one here, same thing. Top. How meter offset? How come base is 12? Oh, interesting. Hmm. So since 12 minus 8,000 minus, why my mouse is not responding? Minus, huh, don't tell me hang. Oh my god. What's happening to my value here? Minus 6,000. Cannot lower. Oh, sorry. This one should be lower roof. No wonder looks so weird. This one should be upper roof. Hmm? 0. Minus 6,000. Apply. Ah, oh, frightened me. Okay, because of the adjustment for this, so the whole thing looks so weird. Copy and paste a bit scary at times for structure. So you guys got to be extremely careful. Look out for that. Okay, so I will say at least now we get our stuff here complete. Okay, any questions? 10:30 now. I'll stop recording.